How does the coronavirus spread inside the human body? The virus enters the body through the mouth, the eyes, or the nose. After that, it goes through the nasal passage and into the mucous membranes located in the throat. Then, it attaches itself to the body's cell receptors. The virus genetic material breaks into the cell membrane and it hijacks the cell to make more copies of the virus, which then spreads and infects other cells in the body. How does your immune system put you in danger when you are infected by the virus? When you get infected by the virus, the immune system releases immune cells. While their role is to fight the virus, some of them gets infected and confused. Cells communicate using proteins called cytokines, which controls almost every important reaction. The virus causes the infected immune cells to overreact that leads to more confusion, which makes the immune system send more immune cells that are unnecessary and causes more damage. There is a type of white blood cell called neutrophils which pumps enzymes that can destroy not only the infected cells but also the healthy ones. Another type of cell, the killer T cells, can also destroy uninfected cells by ordering them to kill themselves. The more immune cells released, the more damage will be caused, which can lead to a weakened immune system or worse, a more serious disease. What can we do to protect ourselves and prevent the spread of virus? We can protect ourselves by following the safety procedures or wearing the proper personal protective equipments. We can also prevent the spread of virus by staying at home as much as possible and practicing good hygiene. We can help end this virus if we all put in our best efforts and cooperate.
Severe acute respiratory syndrome, or SARS, is a slower pandemic than COVID-19. I say this based on the information I gathered. In this information, it shows that in 2 years, the number of the affected people and those who died did not reach 100,000. It only had 8,422 positive cases and 774 known. Meanwhile, the coronavirus disease, or COVID-19, is a fast-spreading pandemic. In just 5 months, it has already affected millions and killed hundreds of thousands of people. As of the 25th of May, it has over more than 5 million positive cases and over 350,000 deaths. This Venn diagram shows the differences and similarities of COVID-19 and SARS. COVID-19 has a higher number of fatalities than SARS. It has over more than 5 million positive cases and approximately 350,000 deaths. While SARS had 8,422 positive cases, 774 deaths, and an 11% case fatality rate. Despite being different in numbers, COVID-19 and SARS has a lot of similarities. They both originated from China, Wuhan and Guangdong respectively. They are also both caused by the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, or SARS-CoV. They also affect the elderly people more than the younger. Meanwhile, in this line graph, we can see how the numbers of the positive cases and deaths changed over time. The blue line represents the deaths, while the red line represents the confirmed cases. The reports of positive cases started mid-January and maintained a number of less than 400,000 until the 13th of February, in which it significantly rose to 15,000. The numbers then declined to at least 600 cases by February 24, but then continued to increase until it reached 32,000 on the 20th of March. And then the numbers suddenly dropped to approximately 2,000 on the 22nd of March. It continued to rise and decline over time by approximately 30,000 to 104 cases until it reached a total number of approximately 110,000 on the 23rd of May. The numbers then, as of now, continues to hopefully decline. The reports of fatalities, however, started during mid-January to early February. It maintained the number not reaching 100 until the 13th of February, in which it rose to 254 deaths and then decreased. By the 19th of March, however, it continued to increase and decrease by approximately 4,000 to 8,000 until it reached the highest number so far of 10,000 on the 30th of April. By the 4th of May, it suddenly decreased 976 deaths. It still continued to increase and decrease after, but now at a lower number, approximately 2,000 to 6,000.
Dear watchers, due to the issue of COVID-19, some of the people are already losing hope, already giving up and more negativity. But thanks for our frontliners who kept on working non-stop for our country, the cases are now slowly decreasing. Don't lose hope and pray for the sake of our country. The frontliners is risking their lives to save others is a big blessing already. All we have to do is follow the rules and regulations to lessen the stress of our frontliners. Our dear frontliners, thank you for everything. Thank you for risking your lives to save the people who have the case of COVID-19. So, always remember to wash your hands and pray always. God bless.